Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Berea, local and long-distance movers near me. We provide the right long-distance moving options to make your move easier, including packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. We need to move one state over or several states away, we can help. Our long-distance moving services are fit for any move of 100 miles or further. If it's time to relocate, you can turn the hard work and heavy lifting over to us. You don't have to worry as much when you hire a Kentucky moving company for your local move. Sure, you don't have to go nearly as far, but you still have to do a ton of work to move locally. With the right professional movers, you don't have to do any of the heavy lifting. 30 Movers offers the right options for your local move. We shorten the time and save you a ton of energy. Let us show you how professional movers can make a huge difference for a local move. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Berea moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, residential moving, furniture moving, military moving, international moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.